Cookie! Nom, 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 nom. Oh, nom, 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 nom.
You just can't beat a good cookie. So in today's video we're going to show you a very simple way to make the best cookies every single time. And we're also gonna demonstrate 3 different flavor combinations for you to choose. So, to start with, place your sugar in a bowl following with your softened butter and just beat them together until it looks creamy. It's worth to mention that every measurement is very important for this recipe, everything will be in the description, so please check them out. When it looks creamy and you can't feel any more sugar, add a little bit of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt and just fold it in. Then add your flour a little bit at a time and keep mixing until you can't see any more flour. Then chop your white chocolate into small pieces. Chop your milk chocolate into small pieces as well. Split your dough into 1/3 and 2/3. Add your milk chocolate pieces into the 2/3 and just fold them in. Do the same with the white chocolate pieces into the 1/3 and just fold them in as well. Now for the constructing part. Place a little bit of dough in your hand and flat it in your palm. Add a teaspoon of chocolate spread in the middle and fold it over until you're left with a spread in the middle and the cookie dough on the outside. And just repeat the process. Very easy. For our second flavor we're using strawberry jam, but the process is exactly the same. Just put the filling in the middle and fold it over with the cookie dough. The third one is the ultimate cheat day cookie. We're using chocolate chip cookie dough and we're adding a whole Oreo in the middle. I know it sounds odd to put a cookie in a cookie, but trust me, it tastes awesome. Don't put them very close to each other because they will expand. And just put them in the oven for 35 minutes at 180 degrees and you're done. I know it's hard, but you should let them cool for at least half an hour before you dig in. They're so crispy and buttery and every single flavor combination works perfectly. If you liked our recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes.